Haggai 2:9 says, "The glory of this present house will be greater than the glory of the former house, says the Lord Almighty. And in this place I will grant peace." Entrepreneur, sometimes you mourn what didn't work, the failed launch, the partnership that broke, the deal that slipped through your fingers. But God is reminding you, what's ahead carries more weight, more glory, and more fruit than what you lost. Loss is not the end, it's often preparation. The business that shut down, the client that walked away, the market that rejected you, they were part of the training, not the finish line. Don't get trapped celebrating yesterday or grieving it too long. Your assignment is forward. What's coming has new opportunities, fresh provision, and greater impact. Stay focused. Keep sowing. The future in God's hands will always outweigh the past in yours. Drop "greater" in the comments if you believe your best days are still ahead.